The Rubik's Cubes and our life. The Rubik's Cubes can symbolize various life stages and challenges, aligning its solving process with personal growth and problem solving. Here's a breakdown of its stages and how they connect to our life's journey. Ever feel like life looks like this? A chaotic jumble of colors? No clear solution in sight. At times, we wonder if we'll ever make sense of it all. But here, the things about the Rubik's Cubes. It has a solution. And so does life. Every twist, every turn, every challenge has a purpose. Today, let's explore how solving this cube reflects our journey in life and teaches us lessons that guide us through its complexities. Number 1. Rubik's Cube's base, the white cross, symbolize a start with a strong foundation in our life. What it means in our life? Building a strong foundation, just like life. Starting with a solid base ensure that future action align with our goals. What is the life lesson? Focus on your fundamental. Clarity and consistency are key. Start with your why. Know your foundation because it determines the strength of everything else. When solving a Rubik's Cube, the first goal is to create the white cross. It's simple but it is crucial. Without a strong base, every other move becomes meaningless. In life, the base is your values and priorities. It's knowing what important your family, dreams, or principles and using them as your anchor. Without this clarity, it's like trying to build a house without a solid foundation. Example, take Oprah Winfrey. She grew up in poverty, but her foundation was fierce belief in education and self-worth. That belief grounded her, allowing her to rise above and circumstances and inspire millions. Number 2, the Rubik's Cube's first layer, aligning white corners, symbolize alignment of action with purpose in our life. What it means, harmonizing initial effort with purpose. Completing this layer symbolize initial achievement and establishing confidence. Life lesson, every piece matters. Collaboration and integration lead to progress. Celebrate small wins. They are the foundation of long-term success. Once the base is set, the next step is solving the white corners. Each move connects with the bigger picture. It's about alignment. This is the pace of small wins, the habit and decision that build momentum. It's about doing the right things consistently, even if progress feels slow. It's learning to trust the process. Number 3, Rubik's Cube second layer, solving the middle edges. Symbolize persist through the grind in our life. What it means, tackling intermediate challenges. It represents the grind stage where effort brings significant progress. Stay persistent. The middle journey is often where people give up. Growth happens when you push through even when it's tough. Keep going. You're closer than you think. The second layer is where things get tricky. You're moving the middle pieces without disrupting your progress. This is the grind, tedious but necessary. In life, this phase tests your patience. Progress feels slow. Challenges mount and quitting seems tempting. But this is where real growth happens. The second layer is not glamorous, but it's essential. Example, consider J.K. Rowling, who wrote Harry Potter as a single mother struggling with rejection from publishers. Her second layer grind showing up, writing every day, persevering, turn her dreams into reality. Number 4, Rubik's Cube top cross section. The yellow cross symbolize broaden your perspective in our life. What it means? Broadening perspective and higher goals. This stage symbolize vision and adaptability to new complexities. Life lesson. Look at the bigger picture. Challenges are often multidimensional. Expand your thinking. Life's solution often require seeing beyond the surface. The top cross forming yellow cross is about strategy and seeing the bigger picture. You're no longer focused on one side but the entire cube. This is when life calls for a long-term thinking. You're not just solving today's problem but aligning them with your future goals. It's about stepping back, reevaluating, and adjusting your approach. Example, think of Elon Musk's vision for SpaceX. His short-term focus on rocket innovation aligned with bigger dreams, colonizing Mars. His strategy balances immediate goals with a far-reaching vision. Number 5. The Rubik's Cube's third layer aligning yellow corners symbolize master complex challenge in our life. What it means? Managing the most complex challenges. This stage symbolizes precision and patience in handling high-stakes situation. Life lesson. Refine your approach. Even small missteps can create a ripple effect. Great results come from focus, patience, and precision. Don't rush the process. Master it. The third layer, the final steps, requires precision. Here, every move affects the entire cube. It's where patience and skill are tested. In life, this stage mirror critical decision, choosing a career, resolving conflicts, or navigating transitions. Small missteps can set you back, but careful effort creates breakthrough. It's less about speed and more about strategy. Example, picture an architect designing their dream home. Every detail, materials, layout, aesthetics requires careful thoughts. A single mistake could compromise the structure. Number 6. The Rubik's Cube's final step. Solving the four upper corners symbolize achieve balance and fulfillment in our life. What it means? Achieving harmony and completion. It represents the culmination of effort and strategy into success. Life lesson. Success is not just about solving problem, but doing so in a way that creates lasting harmony. Success isn't just solving the puzzle, it's creating a life of balance and impact. The last step is solving the remaining corners. Bring every piece into harmony. It's the culmination of your work, patience, and strategy. In life, this represents the balance we strive for: success in work, relationship, and personal growth. It's about reaching your goals while staying grounded. True fulfillment isn't just achieving the end goal, it's the journey and impact along the way. Example, think of Malala Yousafzai. Her fight for education didn't end with her Nobel Prize. It continued to inspire and empower millions worldwide. Her life is a testament to harmony between purpose and achievement. In summary, the Rubik's Cube teaches that life is about persistence, strategy, and balance. While some challenges require brute effort, others demand careful thought and patience. Each stage builds on the previous, reminding us to celebrate small wins as they lead to greater success. Life, like Rubik's Cube, is full of twists and turns, but each stage teaches us something. Build a strong base, align your action, persist through challenges, think strategically, and strive for harmony. So next time life feels like a scrambled cube, remember, it's solvable. Take it one move at the time, stay patient, and trust the process. You're not just solving a puzzle, you're creating a masterpiece.